to the Humble Chef 808 quick bites where we give quick tips. Try to do it fast. Today we're going to be doing a breading procedure. Anytime you hear a recipe called for breading procedure, it's usually flour, egg wash, and breadcrumbs. Today we're going to be using panko. So what you're going to do is you're going to take the item you want to bread. Chicken today. One hand dry, one hand wet. Okay, so chicken, or whatever you're doing. Tofu, you can do this tofu. Vegetables. And what works really good is cauliflower. Anywho, put the flour on there. Now we're gonna drop it into the egg wash. So the flour is gonna help the egg stick to whatever you're breading. It over. Okay. And then the egg is going to help the breadcrumb stick. This one more time. Okay. So you usually don't want to crush it down because that's just going to make fried bread basically. With a nice light coating on it. You use tiny breadcrumbs here. Stuffing, put that in. The dry stuffing you buy at the store, you take that, put it in the RoboCoop, the food processor. You guys probably know what it's called. Cuisinart. And buzz that a couple times, you get homemade breadcrumbs. Okay. So there we go. Breading procedure. That's it. Simple. Okay. See you next time.